Good morning, YouTube family. How are you doing? Welcome to a day in my life. Yes, and this day usually starts with the gym. So before I go to the gym, of course, is get some banana, which I'm gonna do right here. Here is the banana that I'm gonna have. I usually have just one banana, and I don't know why I usually have a banana, but somehow I just love having a banana before I go to the gym because it gives me the energy at least to work out. So after that, of course, my water, and then yeah, let me just wear my shoes quickly. Guys, I'm back home. I'm back home. So I'm gonna shower quickly, then I'll come back. We'll have breakfast as I start my day. So today I took longer in the gym. Because I was shooting a video as well for Friday Fitness in there. So it's like one of the things on my to-do list for today. Take already. So I did that, finished. Yeah. Let me shower quickly and then I'll be right back as you have my breakfast. Cool? Guys, this is what I'm having. I'm back. Yes. So this is what I'm having for breakfast. A quick one, because you don't have all the time in the world. Yes, I think I use that segment a lot, like all the time. So when I have my breakfast, I usually have, like, listen to something motivational. So listen to that as I have my breakfast, guys, of course. I'm done. But quickly, let me just clear this. I'll just take this away. I get to at least write down, not here. I think next year I would love to get that board for writing my to-do list, but for this year I've been using this book. Like, I write things that I need to do over here, so that's what I'm gonna do. I just want to write the top 5 things that I really need to achieve today, and so that's my to-do list. To-do number 1 is, of course, shoot a video. That's for Fitness Friday. Then number 2 that I need to do on my list is I need to check my mails. Then send quotation to 2 clients, and this is very urgent, by the way. And number 3 that I'm supposed to do is I need to edit some audio file. If there's one thing I'd really love to do is play a guitar. So today I'm gonna put it on my to-do list. Learn how to play guitar, like guitar classes. There's a book I'm currently reading. I need to read it at least 6 to 7 p.m. If I don't schedule it on my to-do list, most of the time I won't read. Like I won't do it at all. So guys, that's how my day is gonna go. So let's quickly, first things first, the most important one is number 2, which is checking mails and sending quotations. So that's what I'm gonna do.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna...
Yeah, there, I'm gonna have that. So guys, I'm going to enjoy my food.
Just to find somewhere that finally feels like home.
So this is the thing as I wait. So the month of October and the month of November, I wasn't going to the gym. I went the first week of October and then I took a break. The reason why, I had lost so much weight and I really wanted to, of course, take a break. And then plus I was traveling the month of November a lot, and even October I got to travel a lot. And this is the thing, I resumed my workout the first week of December. My body right now is in pain. Today was the third day, but my abs, it's like I'm actually doing everything for the first time. Like my abs are just hurting, my elbow, everything, every part of my body is hurting, like I'm in pain. But anyway, it's for the good cause after all. So that's the reason why I'm actually doing it, because I want my abs so badly. And today, by the way, I got to shoot for Friday Fitness earlier on. So it's one of the things, in fact, I should take it off my to-do list. I did that, I shot that already. So meaning I only have 3 things to go, which is a good thing, you know. And then, you're seeing my hair. Are you seeing my hair nicely? There. So I braided my hair. like myself. Like I did it myself. I know it's not a big thing because so many people can braid their hair, but hey, I did mine and it looks like this. These are soft, what do you call them? Let me see if I can bring you guys closer. Yeah, there. These ones are soft, what do you call them? Gosh. Fluffy kinky. They are fluffy kinky, so I think you can see. I did that myself and it's an achievement and I'm super proud of my work. Anyway, let's get back to it.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid.
These are my 2 favorite women in one frame, in one, you understand? Just all here. So guys, I feel like I've spent like my entire day here. Like, yes, that is how I feel, and that's the truth. There are 2 things that I haven't done. That is doing my guitar classes and reading a book for 1 hour. This is how I usually spend my day when I'm working at home. So yes, so I'm glad it's been a productive day. There are quite a number of things that I've achieved, and yeah.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head.
That's the end of my day. The next thing I'm gonna do is just get something and eat. But yes, at least I got to do the lessons, which is good. At least I've learned all these keys. A, and then the small a. Cool guys. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly do. And if you like this particular video, thumbs up. And until next time, kisses.